Ambia akina Glen Washington wakae hapo kwanza niombee huyu mtoto, na tukampaka mafuta. Unaona sasa mpaka macho yake imerudi ya white. Hizi lips zilikuwa zimepasuka. Unaona sasa vile kanakaa vizuri. But I want to tell you one thing. Sometimes we suffer because of our actions. And we suffer because of what we do to others. And we cause our generations to suffer. Justina reu no nginya ucenjie. No garuruke utige guthinia mwana uyu. Najua ni vizuri kumwambia ukweli. You have to change so that this boy will meet his destiny. The more you fight with people, the more they fight back. Na mishale ingine inaweza kosa kukugonga wewe, igonge huyu. Because most of the problems and curses zina affecting boy childs. Iruminyi geikoraga tuhi niyo makoragwo me the target of a curse. Umuthi ni gukuhoera nigethe mwana uyu atige kugerera ruo, na mimi nimekusamehe. Justina ni niwanumire muno rĩrĩa ndĩrahũragwo, si ni ukweli muno? Niwe nyenda kwĩra mũndũ ma ni athire live na akĩnuma muno. Rĩu he ũndũ utamenyire. On Sunday wakati uliingia ofisi yangu, kitu cha kwanza nilifanya ni kukusamehe. What I did, I forgive you. Na hata saa hii nimekusamehe. But now you have to take a new direction. Nyuru ile nadu muno, and they may block and shorten your way to destiny. Ni wale idia do muno. Kure hindi ndonire video yaku ngihinga matu. Ndikaigwe. Tiga kugeria mwana uyu ruo-ini. And your actions are affecting his life. Tamuciari riu otore mutumia ore woigire mwana ucio ndagathinjwo ni anengerwo uyu agakimurere. Riu ni ihinda ria gukiriria mwana ni umukomeire ihinda inene muno.